My name is Timothy Gadway. I'm a printer here at Fracture, and I've been working nearly 2 years with the company. We receive a large plate glass box of soon-to-be fractures. We send it to the scoring table, which breaks it off into pieces that we'll need. Send that through a grinding process, the large Jimbo machine, before washing it, making sure it's free of any abrasions or particulates. Clean that up, box it, and we send that to the printer.
After the glass is scored, the sharp edges are sanded and smooth. Two sides are grinded down. Then the glass is turned to sand the other sides. My name is Ray. I work on offline white, and I've been at Fracture for a little over a year.
Usually, when I'm working in the print room, I'll walk in, turn my machine on, make sure things are clean and the ink is spraying correctly, wash it down, and then I do some test prints. If things are going in order, I start compiling the list of the day's jobs. Usually, I jig out a standard procedure of like 8 sizes and 36 sizes. Being that there's 3 printers, we often try and make sure we're all doing something different, making sure we're managing the entire load at the same time.
My favorite thing about the job is seeing the process. The picture is imprinted on the glass, and then as I process it through the machine, you get to see the ink being put on it. And when it's flipped over, you see the actual result, and it looks really nice. The physical product is awesome. First of all, it's made in the US. It's US owned, it's US made, and it looks really good. When you see the quality of the pictures, like the matte glass, the finish on it is excellent, and they look really good. And to say that you had a part of that should make you proud. Makes me proud. I like it.
After we've printed it and sent it through the offline white, we apply our foam backing. Foam backing is applied to be able to brace comfortably against your wall, rolled to squeeze out any air bubbles that might have been present, and there you have it, a fracture in full. We send that off to our quality control people. They make sure no slight chippings or misalignments are created. Then take that to the fulfillment section, where on foam boards and tables, we kit it up. We put this foam backing on it, making sure it fits to your wall securely and snugly. It then gets another quality control check, making sure we're really dotting our I's and crossing our T's. Finally, we ship it out, box it up, have its label on it, easily trackable by us and the customer, and it's out into the world.